In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check LinkedIn followers on the LinkedIn mobile app. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. What we're doing today is simple. We'll look at how to view followers for other profiles when it's allowed, and where to find your own follower count inside your profile. Keep in mind that follower visibility can vary based on the other person's privacy settings, so what you see may differ from profile to profile. Let's start with checking someone else's followers. Open a profile from your feed or from anywhere you see a person's name and photo. On their profile, look for the follower count near the top, usually around the area where you see their headline and basic details. If the word followers or the number appears in blue, that means it's a link you can tap. Go ahead and tap it, and you'll be taken to the list of people who follow that profile. If it's grayed out, it's not clickable, which means that profile doesn't allow public viewing of followers or there's nothing to show. That's normal. Some people keep that information private, and it's controlled by their settings. Now let's check your own followers. From anywhere in the app, tap your profile icon, then tap it again to open your full profile page. Scroll down until you reach the activity section. Right there, you'll see your follower count displayed. This number represents people who follow your updates, even if they're not connected to you. If you're new to LinkedIn or haven't been active, that number might be small, and that's totally fine. As you post and engage more, you'll typically see it grow over time. A quick tip: follower visibility can change based on how LinkedIn updates its interface and how individuals set their privacy. If a person's follower count isn't clickable, it's usually by design and not an error on your side. Also, if something looks different in your app, it may just be a newer version or a slightly different layout on your device. That's all you need to know to check followers on the LinkedIn mobile app. Open a profile to see if the follower count is clickable in blue, and for your own profile, use your profile icon, head to your page, and scroll to the activity section to view your follower count. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.